Yo dudes! Welcome to pumpkin mac and cheese. Nice simple seasonal twist and great way to use up pumpkin, excessive pumpkins that'll be cheap around this time of year. So this is brilliant, takes 15 minutes to make, is genuinely much healthier and much better than the original. So here we go. First step, we've taken 125 grams of dried pasta. We went with wholemeal penne and cooked it. So we now have about 250 grams of cooked wholemeal penne. Time to make our sauce. This is the most important part of the dish. Okay, so first step, we have 280 grams of cooked pumpkin. So I went for more a kabocha pumpkin or an orange pumpkin as opposed to a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. Jack-o'-lantern typically are grown to be massive and they're packed full of water and they're quite kind of dilute in flavor. So 280 grams of cooked pumpkin, in it goes. If you don't have pumpkin, use squash or sweet potato alternatively. I'm gonna go with onion powder. I'm gonna go with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot powder, so this is going to thicken it and help bring it all together. I have 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. This is going to add a nice cheesy undertone without the saturated fat. I'm going to go with juice of 1 whole lemon, just give it a little rub. So that's the equivalent of 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, just through my hand to catch any pips. 120 ml of oil. I've gone for a neutral sunflower oil. Go for something that's neutral in flavor. So I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of salt and I'm going to season to taste. So in that goes. I'm going to go with a little pinch of chili. I think it just adds that extra little dimension, not traditionally in a mac and cheese, but we can add a little bit more flavor. Lid on and let's blend till smooth. Okay, 2 little bits I forgot to add in. 60 ml of rice milk or non-dairy milk of choice. It's just gonna end up with a more smoother sauce. And I'm gonna add in a pinch of black pepper. Excuse me. Wow, look at that for a sauce. So super creamy, super cheesy. Pumpkin for the win. Oh wow, a lot of flavor in that. Absolutely. Oh wow, there's a real depth of flavor to that which you would not get in normal cheese. Okay, cool. We have 250 grams of cooked pasta. Obviously use macaroni if you want, but we wanted to go healthier. We're using a wholemeal penne. Wholemeal will just be higher in fiber. So in that goes to our oven-proof dish. Pop in all our cheese sauce. Oh, look at that. It's nearly like mustard colored. It goes great with my t-shirt. Amazing color, isn't it? Wow, that's a beautiful sauce. So spread our sauce evenly throughout it. Okay, great color. Now, we're gonna bake it and just make it a little bit fancy, a little tiny bit more aspirational. I've got 30 grams of breadcrumb. I tried to use wholemeal or gluten-free for gluten-free. I'm gonna go with a little small handful of pumpkin seeds, just because this is pumpkin. Tiny little pinch of salt. I'm gonna go with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And that's just gonna enable it to crisp up nicer. A nice mix through. We're gonna sprinkle that up over the top. I've preheated the oven to 180 degrees. I'm gonna bake it just until it crisps up and it all comes together beautifully. Look at this one, magnificent. Look at that for fab, super cheesy. So pumpkin with pumpkin seeds with some wholemeal penne. This is epic. This is like an autumn belly hug. This is like bathing in a massive big basin of beautiful autumn leaves. Anyway, okay, that might sound weird. Anyway, so look at that for cheesy, pumpkiny, puffy, crispy. Wow, it looks really good, doesn't it? There really is a slight note of pumpkin amongst the cheesiness. Delicious, fabulous, cheesy, crispy, magnificent. Dudes, please try this. Thank you for watching, sending lots of autumn love, and cheers. Bye.